Hello friends, in this video I am talking about NCERT solution for class 7 science chapter number 6 physical and chemical changes. Let's see the exercise question answer. First question is classify the changes involved in the following process and the physical or chemical changes. First is photosynthesis, dissolving sugar in water, burning of coal, melting of wax and beating aluminum to make aluminum foil and digestion of food. Let's see the answer. First is physical changes and B. Dissolving sugar in water, melting of wax, beating aluminum to make aluminum foil. Chemical changes is photosynthesis, burning of coal and digestion of food. Okay. Next question, question number 2 is state whether the following statement are the true or false. In case a statement is false, write the correction statement in your notebook. First is, let's see the answer. Answer is, first cutting a log of wood into pieces is a chemical change. This is false. Next is formation of manure from the leaves is a physical change. This is false. Next is iron pipes. What is the question? Question is iron pipes coated with zinc do not get the rusted easily. This is true. Okay. Next is iron and rust are the same substances. This is false. Next question A is condensation of steam is not a chemical change. This is true. Next question number 3 is fill in the blanks in the following statements. A is when carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, it turns milky due to the formation of what is right answer? Let's see the right answer. Right answer is calcium carbonate CaCO3. Next question number B is the chemical name of baking soda is sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3. Okay, next is two methods by which rusting of iron can be prevented are greasing and galvanization. Next is changes in which only physical properties of substances change are called physical changes. Next is changes in which new substances are formed are called the chemical changes. Okay. Next question 4 is when baking soda is mixed with lemon juice, bubbles are formed with the evaporation of a gas. What types of changes is it? Explain. Let's see the answer. Answer is the chemical changes as new products are the form. Baking soda plus lemon juice is equal to salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. When acid react with the carbonate, salt is formed releasing a carbon dioxide and water. Okay. Next question number 5 is when a candle burns, both physical and the chemical changes take place. Identify these changes. Give another example of a familiar process in which both the chemical and physical changes take place. Let's see the answer. First, physical changes. On heating candles, wax get melted in a physical changes. Since it's against turn into the solid wax is on cooling. Okay. Second is chemical changes. The wax near to flame burns and gives new substances like the carbon dioxide, carbon soot, water vapor, heat and light. Cooking of food is another example where both physical and the chemical changes occurs. Okay. Next question is how will you show that sitting of curd is a chemical changes? Let's see the answer. Sitting of curd is a chemical changes, hence a new substance, lactic acid, is formed which differs in taste from the original substances. Fats and proteins, example milk. Also the changes is irreversible. Curd cannot be converted into milk. Okay. Let's see the next question number 7. Explain why the burning of wood and cutting it into a small pieces are considered as the two different types of changes. Let's see the answer. Answer is burning of wood is a chemical change because wood on burning converted to new substances like SA, carbon dioxide gas, water vapor, heat and light. The irre- change of irreversible while the cutting of would be a smaller pieces is a physical change. Because of the original composition of wood does not change, no new substances are formed. Okay. Next question 8 is describe how crystals of copper sulfate are prepared. Let's see the answer. Crystal of copper sulfate are the prepared as the follows. First, take a water in a breaker and add a few drops of dilute sulfite acid. Second is heat of water when it starts boiling. Add copper sulfate powder slowly with the continuous stirring. Okay. Next is continue adding copper sulfate powder till the saturation level. Next is filter the solution and lift for the cooling. Next is leave undisturbed and solution when it is the cooling. Next is we can observe the crystal of copper sulfate after few hours. Okay. So let's see the next question. Question number 9. What is question? Question is explain how paintings of an iron gate prevents from rusting. That's the answer. For the rusting, the presence of the both oxygen and the water vapor is required. The coat of the paint prevent direct contact of iron with air and oxygen and thus prevents from the rusting. Okay. Next question number 10 is explain why the rusting of iron objects is faster in coastal areas than the deserts. Let's see the answer. For the rusting, the presence of both oxygen and the moisture water vapor is required in a coastal areas. The quantity of moisture contained in the air is high humid as the compared to desert region low humid. So the rusting because the faster in coastal areas. Okay. Next question, question number 11 is the gas we use in the kitchen is called liquefied petroleum gas LPG. In the cylinder, it exists as a liquid. When it comes out from the cylinder to become a gas, change A. Terms of burn, change B. And the following statement pertain to these changes. Choose the correct one. Let's see the answer. And correct one is second. What is B is a chemical changes. Okay. Let's see the next question. Question number 12. This is last question of this chapter. Question is anaerobic bacteria digest animal waste and produce biogas. Change A. The biogas is then burnt as the fuel. Change B. The following statement pertain to these changes. Choose the right answer. Right answer third. What is both process A and B are the chemical changes. Okay. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you.